Welcome back to my channel. This is Yomi Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. So today my kids are asleep, so I've got the chance to put makeup on and wear some fancy clothes and just do some unboxing from the stuffs that I got from the internet. And here's the box. It's actually a beauty product. It's skincare thingy. I'm not really a type of girl that really bombardizes my face with lots of skincare, so I only have like a few. You know, I suffer from breakouts and acne when I was a bit younger, and I have this amazing product that actually clear my skin gradually and slowly, giving me a good skin. So if you want me to share that to you, just let me know. But this one here is a new product. I've been hearing lots about this goodies, so I want to try if it is actually gonna work. So let's gonna open the box. Ta-da! Ooh. So these are the goodies that they include in my box. I have a voucher for pets. We have dog, so that would be useful, and a sample card. Okay, it has a sample card of these things, and these are the product itself. It's called Ordinary. Okay, the product is called Ordinary, and it's from the company Adore Beauty. That's where I got all these items. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this now and show you what I've got inside, and in a week or two I'll show you if it has a result or it actually works. I've never used this before, so I want to try it, and I'm gonna review each item and learn the product or how to use them, and as I do that journey I want to show it to you. So my first product here, it's called the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension 25% plus HA Spares 2%. A water-free, silicone-free, stable suspension. I have no idea what a suspension is. So again, I'm a kind of girl that I only stick to whatever I think works for my skin. But I just want to try or branch out to a different product. Let's see if it actually works. So it's a vitamin C, and let's see what's inside the box. That's the box. It's a nice box. It has a nice matte finish. So vitamin C is an effective antioxidant. Has been shown to reverse multiple signs of skin aging, and it also brightens the skin when applied topically. Okay, and also it is ideal to be applied at bedtime or in the night time. And it's suggested here that it is good for people with skin type that's dry, normal to dry, or normal to oily. Okay, so it works for me because I'm a little bit oily. And also if you have this kind of skin concern like dull, dry, and dehydrated skin, first signs of aging, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and wrinkles and loss of firmness, so you have to get this vitamin C from Ordinary. Okay, it also says here that Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension 23% plus HA Spares 2% provides 23 pure L-ascorbic acid, which remains completely stable due to the absence of water. So I'll try this. This is what it looks like, and it has no smell. Okay, so I've got a vitamin C. Second item is this one. So this is the Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG, and this is a 30 ml bottle. Okay, so it says here independent studies have shown that topical use of caffeine and EGCG, which is derived from a green tea, can actually help reduce the looks of puffiness and dark circles in the eye contour. Okay, and well, it is suggested to a skin type like dry, normal to oily, and oily. And if your skin concerns is signs of aging, dark circles, and puffiness around your eyes, so this one is a good product to try and use. So I have those problems, so let's see if it works for me. Okay, and so maybe this one will help. So use the puffiness under my eyes and some parts where the cellulites are. So let's see. So it looks good and it doesn't smell anything too. So I have this organic cold pressed rose hip. So it's 100% organic cold pressed oil, okay? It's rich in linoleic acid, and it also helps regenerate skin cells and nourish dehydrated dry skins. Okay, and it also says here it's suitable for people who have skin concerns like dull, dry, first signs of aging, pigmentation, and even skin tone, sensitivity and redness, and also if you have wrinkles and loss of firmness. So this product here is actually a very good one for you to try on. So it's also recommended for skin type like dry, normal to oily, and oily. So I think I'm in that category. I have oily skin. So this is what the dropper looks like. It's made of glass. It's really good actually. It looks good, feels good. And it has a yellow oil inside, and it also says here how to use it. This is an oil-based solution that should be used after any water-based serums and emulsion. A few drops can be applied once daily or whenever the skin needs an instant boost of hydration. The Ordinary with niacinamide 10% plus zinc. So niacinamide is a best-selling serum from the skincare experts at The Ordinary. So it is developed to help clear congested complexions and also to minimize the appearance of severity of the blemishes. So it says here it's must have for an oily and acne prone skin. Okay, so I think I am that person, so I must have this kind of thing, I guess. This is what the dropper looks like. Again, it's made of glass. It looks good and it actually feels good in the touch, and it has a white serum inside. It is a high performance treatment and it is enriched with vitamins and minerals that can help to transform the texture of uneven skin. The serum also helps other treatments to work more effectively for clearer and less congested complexion. Let's try if it works for me. I just want to have a clear skin and, well, not so puffy eyes. So this one here is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA. The key ingredients in this moisturizer are all hydration boosters that occur naturally in the skin, such as amino acids. Okay, so it's a lightweight moisturizer for dry and dehydrated skin. It also delivers instant and long-term hydration. So my last item is called Full Coverage Foundation from Ordinary. Yay! So this is what the foundation looks like, and the shade that I pick is medium dark with red undertones, okay, or 3.0R. So that's how they name their foundation, and it says shake well before using. So this foundation offers a semi-matte finish and are compatible with most primers and are designed to work exceptionally well with the primers. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, a little dub here. And it actually looks a little bit like my skin, I guess. It's not bad. Kind of like it. It has a black box. I don't know, the rest is white, but this one is black. Maybe for the makeup it's black. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try all those beauty skincare, and then as I journey in trying that skincare, I will record what's going on with my face, or you know, what's happening. Does it work? Does it make me feel a little bit different from, you know, the previous yeah. So that's everything I've got today. Unboxing, and you know, it's not really a review because I have no idea what I'm talking about. It's more an unboxing and getting to know the product, of course, because I don't know the product. This is the first time I actually buy the product. I was looking for the serum because I don't have serum. I currently only use moisturizer, facial scrub, and some day cream. That's pretty much it. So I was looking for a serum, and obviously I want to do the ordinary first because the current product that I'm using, they don't have serum. They only have moisturizer, facial scrub, and a mask. So I tried serum from the Ordinary, and it actually gives you the entire range, so you know, get to know. And in the website called Adore Beauty, I will link it in the description box below. In the website Adore Beauty, it actually tells you what these products are for. So yeah, but you have to buy, like, you know, they grouped them in a certain group for certain problems. Like for example, if you're trying to solve your acne problem, so they have this certain products here, group of products that's for acne or dry skin, oily skin. So they group the products, but I don't want to get the entire range of acne or the entire range of oily, so just bits by bits. So what I did is I just handpicked the product that I think might help me. So serum, the ones for the eyes, puffiness, the caffeine, the moisturizer, because obviously I always use moisturizers, especially now that it's cold, and yeah, an oil, the rose hip oil, and some foundation. Okay, so I will record this journey as I get to know and use the product, and let's see if it works. That's all, I guess. So thank you, and see you in a bit. Goodbye.